Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to quit Finder in MacBook Pro. If your Finder is unresponsive or needs a refresh, then there is a quick and an easy way to do so. But remember that you cannot truly quit Finder on your MacBook Pro in the way you can quit other applications, but you can relaunch it if it's ever needed. So here's how you can do it. Let's get started. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your MacBook Pro home screen. In the expanded menu, click on Force Quit. In the Force Quit options, click Finder. Now click on Relaunch and click Relaunch once again. Doing so will make you lose any unsaved changes. To continue, click on Relaunch and you will then be able to quit Finder in MacBook Pro. You can also do so by using keyboard shortcuts. Simply go ahead and press these three keys simultaneously and it'll then show you this pop-up. Select Finder from the list and click on Relaunch, and that will be able to quit Finder on MacBook Pro. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Goodbye till then.